Makareceive ka ng sapatos tapos parehong kaliwa. Di ba parang nakakatawa? Pero parang nakakainis din sa para sa my dream is to visit Philippines in the during Christmas. I'm like, same, me too. Merry Christmas, friends! And excited. He wake up so early because he's too excited.
No, it's not because I'm excited. It's because I slept. I fell asleep fast.
Yeah, because you sleep early, you mean. Maya's first Christmas. Merry Christmas, baby. Hey, Merry Christmas. Hi, Daddy. Merry Christmas.
My Christmas outfit.
No, you have to change.
I'm patsy.
You're gonna have to change for picture. Wala pa kaming family picture, so today I want to have a nice picture with our Christmas tree. Kasi wala pa kaming family picture na kasama si Maya. And then normally, kapag Pasko, present opening the first thing, ayun ang ginagawa namin. Kaya lang, naisip namin, puro laruan kasi yung laman ng mga regalo. So, kapag nag-open sila ng regalo, maglalaro na sila, hindi na sila kakain. So, magbe-breakfast muna kami. Lucas, just sit properly, please.
Come on, Andrew.
Here, between mommy and daddy.
Come on, Andrew, over here. Come here. Come here. Good boy.
Ready, one.
Wait. Sit down. Hey, Andrew, say hello.
Hi, Andrew, move back. You can see. See? Sit with daddy. Sit with daddy. Hurry up before you can.
Hello.
Andrew, sit beside daddy. Hurry up. One, two. Ready? One, two, three. Andrew, hurry up. Maya's gonna try to. Oopsie. Alright, ready? Look.
Come
Look at the camera. Ready? One, two. Andrew, ready? Look. One, two, three.
Hugging.
Look at the move. Andrew.
That's gonna be all your pictures right up there.
Move back. Please. Just one more, Andrew. Please. Please, I'm begging you. Oh, please. See, one, two, three. Maya's hat is down. Okay.
Hi, Maya.
I'm gonna put Andrew. Ready?
Okay, let's put the
Ready?
pizza.
Look.
Put the pizza here.
Okay, put the pizza there.
That one? Oh,
It's
chill.
pasta.
Andrew has elf hat.
Cooking and smile. One, two,
Andrew, look at you.
three.
Look at you, Andrew.
One, two, three.
There you go.
Ako
Like
yan,
Maya.
Maya.
Like Maya.
Oh, you cover her face. Wait. Hey. Wait. Excited na sila. We just had our breakfast and now we're gonna do present opening. Yeah. Okay, which one first? That one first. From Caleb and na. What's that? From baby Maya. Maya's sleeping by
Let's
the way.
open this.
From baby Maya. Oh, so cute. No, this is for you. You will like this. You just want to play the pizza. Andrew, look. There's so much more toys in there. You will like it. What?
No way.
No way.
What's this exactly?
Open it. You like it, Andrew?
Yeah. Look at
Oh, you can
That's
see it
for
here
sure.
from the front.
Do you like it? Open it.
Okay.
Aw, he likes the pizza more than this. Aww. This is my present for Andrew. Ta-da!
Dad.
Whoa! Look, Andrew really like cooking.
like pots.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. How about you, Lucas? You
Yes.
like that?
Yeah. It's like right. I knew it.
How did you know?
I was going with Daddy at Home Depot. Then I saw this toy. Then I wanted Dad to buy it. But if I buy it with my money, then it won't be for Christmas.
From Tita Nika. Ready, go. Ah. Ah. Oh my goodness. And look.
And look there.
From Tita Nika. Which one for you, Lucas? I guess that.
That one?
Yeah, this is from Tita Nika. What Daddy gave to Mommy.
We usually don't give each other gifts.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I didn't think about that. Thank you, Daddy. Because
Okay.
I didn't know it's mine. You put it in the paper bag.
Because she's always stealing my knives.
We have like 10 knives in the shop, but we keep losing them.
No, but she keeps stealing mine.
So it's the same thing.
And it's those exact knives.
Don't
I only
break.
have like 2 of them, but she always steals them.
Thank you, Daddy.
And she's taking a spot next to the candy. Oh, that part? Yeah. And then you put that on. Is that your oven?
That's my.
Is it ready?
Yeah.
Okay, get it. Uh-oh. Hot, hot, hot.
Hot.
Merry, Merry Christmas sa inyo. Merry, Merry Christmas. Can you say Merry Christmas
Oh,
to
Merry
our,
Christmas.
to our beautiful viewers? I got that from Josiah. So he say something like, say hi to my beautiful audience. Merry Christmas to our beautiful audience. We did, what do you call that? Opening gift ceremony
Yeah.
this morning after breakfast. And then it's kind of like we are just playing the whole morning with their new toys. They have so many new toys to play with. So that's what we all do. And now we're going to my in-laws, right? Then that's it. Look at it. Look everywhere. It's so
What?
boring here. I mean, I love America, but every Christmas I can't help but compare. Like, oh, I wish I'm in the Philippines. And then, I was watching Ate Nanet's interview in the YouTube thing. She said something like, my dream is to visit Philippines
Christmas.
during Christmas. I'm like, same, me too.
Yeah.
It's kind of like not a goal, but it's something like hard to achieve for regular people in America.
Yeah.
It's like,
Because it's so expensive to do.
yeah,
You gotta kind of halt everything that you got going on here.
yeah.
So there's no income.
Your income will stop. Our
Yeah.
income will stop. So
And
that's
if you
one
still
thing.
have bills going on at home,
Yeah, you still have to pay whatever.
and then you got your expenses for the trip. So
Which
it's
is
like-
also much more.
Yeah.
Like compared to if you will visit Philippines another time, right? It's kind of like a dream now for me. 9 Christmases without my family in the Philippines. So I really miss them. I really miss the Philippine Christmas spirit. And yeah, that's why I kind of like think that if we will be back, if we will visit Philippines in the future, I hope it's gonna be on Christmas Day, or Christmas season. But it's almost unpractical.
It's possible.
No, it's not practical because the ticket will be doubled. The ticket cost will be doubled.
Oh yeah. After Thanksgiving, but before Christmas.
That will
like-
still be expensive. I mean, we still have like family goals. I mean, financially, di ba? May mga pinaglalaanan pa kami. May pinagtatrabahuhan pa kami. And to be honest, visiting Philippines is kind of like least priority. In the future, whenever we already reach the goal, we can spend the Christmas holidays in the Philippines. That's
Somebody's
the
working
dream.
in the neighborhood.
Huh?
Somebody's working in the neighborhood. Christmas
Working
Day.
what?
Oh, just doing some yard work.
Yan, maghapon sila naglalaro. What are you guys doing?
Putting together Lego.
Oh, the Lego. That's one of the presents he received.
For Andrew. That we gave to Andrew.
That is helping.
And done.
Mantaray ng aking outfit. Regalo yan sa akin. Sakto yan sa taglamig, tapos may mga butones siya. Hindi ko siya feel, parang hindi siya bagay sa akin, pero parang very comfy, warming. Tapos may butones siya, madaling magpa-dede, ganyan. Ayan, nakauwi na kami dahil galing sa aking in-law. Alam nyo, pasensya na talaga. Every time na pumupunta kami sa aking in-law, hindi talaga ako nakakapag-vlog. Talagang lagi kong nakakalimutan. So today, talagang nung nasa sasakyan kami, di ba, papunta doon, nagchichika-chika ako. Tapos sabi ko nga na, ay, mag-vlog ako kasi Pasko, ganyan. Although, kami lang naman yung bisita ng aking in-laws. Pero alam niyo yung gusto kong ipakita, i-share yung moments ng aking mga kids with their lolos and lola. Pero kasi ako mismo talaga, nag-enjoy ako doon sa aking in-laws. Lagi lang kami nagchichikahan, tawanan, naglalaro yung mga bata. So talagang hindi, nakakalimutan ko ng mag-vlog. So ngayon naman magkakape ako. Hinantok na kasi ako dahil nga ang aga kong nagising. Alam mo yung alas 4 nagising ako para magpadede kay Maya. Tapos hindi na ako nakabalik ng tulog kasi nakachat ko ang aking mga kapatid, mga kaibigan sa Pilipinas. So yun. 4 a.m. Siyempre, gising ang lahat sa Pilipinas. I think 4 or 5 p.m. sa Pilipinas yun. 4 a.m. dito. So, nakikipagtsikahan lang ako sa aking mga friends and family sa Pilipinas. Di na ako nakatulog. Kaya ngayon, parang antok na ako. Alas 7 pa lang. Alas 7 pa lang, antok na ako. Gusto ko nang matulog. Pero magkakape na lang muna ako. Although, parang wala naman tintong talab sa akin. Anyways, business side naman, chika ko lang. Meron akong 2 kausap na buyer ngayon. Dahil siguro Pasko ang bait nila, nakakatawa lang din kasi. Meron ako 'di ba nabenta na Timberland na pair ng boots parang more than a month ago na. Naibenta ko siya. Isa siya sa mga una kong naibenta na pair of boots from the Kohl's liquidation, kung naalala nyo yun. So, nabenta ko siya for $120. Ngayon, nag-message yung buyer, nakakahiya talaga. Sabi niya, hindi niya daw chinek yung box nung na-receive niya, so pinangregalo niya yung boots na yun sa anak niya. Tapos pagkabukas daw nung anak niya, ang nakita is dalawang kaliwa na sapatos. Baka scam naman to, gusto lang maka-refund. Parang ganun agad yung una kong naisip. Tapos wala naman siya sinend na picture. Hindi ko pa siya nire-replyan na, sendan mo nga ako ng picture. Usually, ganun ako sasabihin ko kaagad na, sendan mo ako ng picture. Pero hindi. Ni-review ko muna yung listing ko, yung mga picture ko mismo. Tapos sabi ko, hello, oo nga, parehong ng kaliwa. Pero pag tinignan mo yung sapatos, papakita ko sa inyo, may mga picture siya na hindi talaga siya halata kasi para siyang parehong diretso. Pero nung tinignan ko, pag ang tinignan mo is yung logo sa gilid, makikita mo na pareho nga silang kaliwa. Oh my God, nakakahiya, diba? Nakakahiya na parehong kaliwa yung na-receive na sapatos. So, inimagine ko na kung ikaw makareceive ka ng sapatos tapos parehong kaliwa. Diba parang nakakatawa? Pero parang nakakainis dun para sa nagregalo. So, ako talaga medyo, nung pagkabasa ko natatawa ko, pero kinakabahan ako kasi baka bigyan niya ako ng negative feedback. So, sabi ko naman, ako, pasensya na, sorry talaga, hindi ko rin napansin, ganyan-ganyan. Isisendan ko kaagad ikaw ng refund. Sabi ko gano'n, pasensya na. Sana hindi ko naruin yung Christmas. Parang, very apologetic naman yung message ko. So, nag-reply naman din siya kaagad na it's okay. Merry Christmas. Siguro dahil din Pasko, kaya parang more understanding yung ating buyer. Pero yun nga, nakakatawa lang. Itong pangalawang story ako, hindi naman ito masyadong positive. Pero every year, may mga buyer na nagrereklamo na hindi umabot ng Pasko yung kanilang yung kanilang in-order. So, ito boots din yung binili niya. Binili niya yung sapatos ng December 21st, which is Saturday. Tama ba? O Saturday. Eh, hindi naman kami nagpapak ng Saturday, Sunday. Monday pa. So, December 23 pa na ship yung kanyang order. Na professional in a nice way. Sinabi ko nga na, yun nga na hindi ka dapat nag-expect na darating to ng Pasko kasi Saturday mo in-order. Syempre, Monday pa sinip. And yung binigay sa'yo ni eBay na delivery window or delivery date window is hindi talaga aabot ng Pasko. So, hindi ka dapat magreklamo na hindi siya umabot ng Pasko. Parang ganun yung pagkasabi ko sa kanya. Hindi pa siya nagre-reply. Pero yun nga yung laging nangyayari. Every year, merong mga buyer na parang laging nagre-reklamo na bakit hindi umabot ng Pasko yung kanilang mga order, samantalang siguro pang regalo nila. So, sa akin naman, sige, yung iba talagang nade-delay. Yung iba, hindi lang din talaga nagpe-pay attention sa delivery date. And even if merong mga ganung delivery date na binigay, dapat mag-expect sila na pagkapaskuhan talaga, marami talagang delayed na packages. So far, this year naman, wala naman ako masyadong ni-refund dahil sa delayed packages or delayed delivery. Pero hopefully, wala masyado. Malalaman pa natin yan next week kung may mga magrereklamo na hindi dumating yung kanilang mga orders on time. Yan. Kasi pagka mga hindi dumating on time, parang nagiging entitled yung mga buyer ng refund. Parang gano'n. So, anyway, we had a fun Christmas day. Kahit na parang simple sa totoo lang, it's not much special. Parang gano'n. Kasi parang, but I think what's special is that we spend a lot of time with the kids. Nilaro namin lahat ng laruan na na-receive nila. Almost all day laro lang ng laro. Diba? Hanggang ngayon naglalaro pa din sila at makikipaglaro pa din ulit ako sa kanila after kong chumika. Baka magkape na lang ako doon. Tara, samahan natin sila. Oh my God. I forgot Andrew don't have pants. That's why I walk away. Anyway, can you guys say Merry Christmas to everybody? Except
Merry
Andrew.
Christmas.
Lucas, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.